Okay, let's go on. Speaking part two. Describe a time when you saw a lot of plastic waste.
Recently, I visited a hill station near Murray. I went there with my parents. While traveling, I saw a huge mountain of plastics. First, I thought that it was just a lack of dustbin near the lake, but latterly I realized that this is the not main reason. Uh, uh, there has been sudden rise of tourists, and there is no plastic recycling plants nearby. And the government has only solution to transport it back to the cities, because there is no nearby plants for recycle it. Both options are quite costly, so that the government has asking the tourists to take it back with them. Uh, this visit opened my eyes to the dark side of the tourism.
Okay, thank you so much. Your answer is not organized, and you're speaking in several small parts, and these parts are not well coordinated. So try to focus the main topic, and after every sentence, you take a break. Then you speak one to two sentences, then you take a break. So you need to go through all these topics and try to be familiar with all of them. Let's go on. Speaking part three. Do you think we should use plastic products?
No, I don't think so. We use plastic products, as we have many other options. We can use steel bottles, and many other things which can replace the plastic bottles.
All right, this answer is somewhat good. So please practice all these topics, then you'll be fine. Okay, thank you so much.